Are you steeping your soursop? I saw a video of someone that was just
Really hard to find good quality leaves that aren't old and brown. I highly advise against buying from Amazon or international grocery stores because these tend to sit in warehouses or on shelves for very long periods of time, which causes them to lose their potency. One way to
I don't know what just happened, but it started recording. But okay, I'm calling out Soursop girl because there she is. I just realized I just watched her video again. She's standing there in this fancy ass kitchen and making this soursop tea, and like a really nice kitchen, but a cheap ass French press. Like that is the most basic one you can buy. How about this? Yeah, this isn't a fancy kitchen. That's a fancy French press. And you'll see that I was just putting it in a French press and letting it steep, not even with like boiling water. Hers looked like piss water with basically nothing in it. It looked like water.
most benefits from your soursop leaf tea every single time. Soursop leaf is one of the most...
Something about her voice. I had to turn it down. So I just wanted to show you. I just made some. And very deep amber color. But
to tell if your soursop leaf is good quality is to look at the color. So the greener, the better. If it's brown, it's old and expensive.
About her voice. 16-ounce press. I put it in here to do the final straining. These here are the actual leaves. They're whole, and their directions are here. So it says to start with 3 cups of boiling water and end up with 1, not just steeping. So you guys may be wasting your soursop or just not getting the full amount out of it, but I just made this here and I'm about to try it. We'll see how it turned out. Because she talks a big game about making sure you get quality soursop leaves and that they're green and the color and all that stuff, but that process is not extracting the full nutrients out of the leaf. And so I would say you would have to buy super high quality leaves if you're gonna make them like she did.
When buying soursop leaves, it's really hard to find good quality leaves that aren't old and brown. I highly advise against buying from Amazon or international grocery stores.
She's clearly just trying to hawk her soursop leaves.
And if that doesn't convince you to drink soursop leaf tea every day like I do, then
probably her first time ever making soursop tea. Well, that was my first time too, so everyone's got a first time. But I wanted you to find this so that you know how to properly make it when you decide to buy it from someone. I'm not even selling it, I just want you to know this. Buy my soursop. In there, boiled it down. That's how much I have left out of the 16-ounce press. I put it in here to do the final straining. We'll try it out. Very golden color. Maybe suggestive of potency.
time, which causes them to lose their potency.
Maybe I should sell it. That's a thought. A little bit of honey. Looks pretty hot. It's actually not as hot as it looks. It's good. It's earthy. It tastes green, but not in the same effect that You know, it's not as green as some green things. More mild, on the mild side. Even for its dark color, it's I could definitely see this growing on me as like a daily tea. But pretty good, and it's very good for you, so check it out. And don't forget to buy my Soursop.